lovely.
International place.
Inshallah.
For the good people, good food.
Yeah. Yo, Chuck. Space button to level. Oh yes. Why not? Why not both? Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going from the one side, from east side of Denmark to west side, and I'm going there because I have a workshop tomorrow. I have around 200 kilometers. We will go by ferry also, take the car inside the ferry from east coast to the west to Jutland and to a small city called Viborg. Join us. No bat moving. I forgot to speak English. Well, we have checked in to the ferry and we got our land. Our car is in the background, as you can see. Now I am going to the bathroom. Snow is beautiful, white. This is the ferry, and right there. So we will go from Odden to Aarhus, and from here we drive to Viborg. This is also waiting area. If you want to wait, you can wait here. It's quite cold. As you see, there are coming a lot of cars now for the ferry, and about 10 minutes after from now there will be a ferry there, and then unloading the ferry will take about maybe 5 minutes, and 5 minutes for all these cars to get inside the ferry. And here we go. From this side of the country to the other side, there will be about 1.5 hours this way, and actually less time the other way. We are waiting for the ferry right now, and normally I never use the television here in the car. But right now I would like to check the news, and as you can see, there is a lot of
rundt på to hjul i de her dage fra cykelstierne. Ja, de står ikke ligefrem først for, når der bliver saltet og ryddet sne.
There is a lot of snow here in Denmark right now, and people are quite confused because they cannot take the bike anymore, and the cars are not working properly and so on. So let's try to work a little bit here, waiting for the ferry. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. This is actually the ferry here, and now we are inside in the ferry. Of course, the ferry has different floors, levels, what you call them. And we will go downstairs. There will be a guide who will guide us. This is the ferry. We are inside the ferry. Yes. There you go. So we are inside the ferry now, and now I will go upstairs and work a little bit. I have got some food with me, some food I really like. In Denmark you have the best shawarma. Or two. Let's have a tour first, then we will find a place to eat. They have really good coffee, but the problem is I don't drink coffee. So. There is a really nice atmosphere here on the ferry. Everybody is enjoying themselves, sitting and talking, because outside it's so dark, you don't see anything. So people have to enjoy themselves here, work and so on, as me, and I'm getting a lot of this time here. Actually, I would rather take the train next time, because then I can work all from home until the city or where I am going. It will take me around 4 or 5 hours, and if I was on the train then I could work all the way, but now I can only work for about 2 hours. That's also okay, and the atmosphere here is quite good. After a while I will try to taste the shawarma, how it tastes, and right now we will finish the work, then we can go on. We reached the other side. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. It's quite challenging to drive here in Aarhus in these days because it's very icy. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Well, this is the city center of nowhere. Let's see, funny place. And the strange thing is that in here you have to call, there is no reception. Let's try. Hej. Så lykkedes det. Tak skal du have. Og jo tak, hvor er det henne? Så okay. Here, this is the place. Okay. I think I will sleep well. I will sleep well here. It's okay. It's big. I have this extra space. See you tomorrow.